Alright, hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an image. So right now this was the original picture, which is a yellow duck, and I'm going to teach you how to change the color into red or blue or pink, whatever color you want. So now first go to Photoshop, and now I'm going to go open up the image I want to change. So I'm going to go select the yellow duck. That was the original image I want to play around with. Now actually, this image is a little bit too small for me, so I'm gonna click Alt key and scroll it up a little bit so that I can see this image a bit bigger. Now, if you go into the right bottom corner, there should be a section where it says layers. It has background and has been locked because it's original image. And whenever you want to change something on the image, you want to go ahead copy this. So I'm gonna first select this layer, and I'm going to drag it down to this square plus sign and let it go. Now it makes a background copy. I'm going to change the name as duck because this is a section that I want to change color with. So now on this layer, I'm going to go ahead use this selection tool, which is the fourth from the top. And it says quick selection tool. Whatever tools that have this bottom arrow on the right side, it allows you to select another tool from these options. So I'm gonna go ahead, press it for 2 seconds, and it allows me to select it from these 3 tools. First, I'm gonna select object selection tool, and I'm gonna drag it on top of the image. And after a couple of seconds, it selects the parts that I want, which is this duck. But then I don't want this part that is in the middle in between these two sections, to the arm and the head. So I'm going to go ahead, go back by pressing it for 2 seconds, go back to quick selection tool. Now from these quick selection tools, there are 3 options. This is just the selection tool, new selection. This is add to selection, and this is subtract from selection. I'm going to click the subtract from selection, and you want to adjust the size of the brush so it's not too big. I'm going to click it on there to get rid of these sections. Now I want to add these sections that hasn't been selected. So I'm going to add to selection and click that part that I want to add. I want to get rid of these eye parts because I don't want to change the color of them, and also the beak. And after you click a couple times, it's going to select it for you. Also the bottom of the beak. Now I haven't selected the duck yellow part of the duck. So if you go to the move tool and go ahead move it around, it shows you which part you selected it. So now I'm going to put it back. And now as this layer has been selected, I'm going to go to image and go to adjustment. And I'm going to go to hue saturation part. And it has this window pop up where I can change this color into different colors I want. Since I already have red duck, I'm going to go ahead change it into blue duck. It's like a mint color. And then I'm going to go ahead select OK. And now with this mint duck, I want to save it as an image, JPEG image, so I can use it on a different pages. So now I'm going to go to File and click Save As, and it asks me either I want to save it on the cloud documents or on your computer. So I'm going to select Save on your computer and select the folder that I want to save it in, which is download for me, and I'm going to say Mint Duck. And I want to change that as JPEG file. And then click Save. And it asks you what quality you want for your image. I am going to just select 8. If you want it to be higher quality, I would recommend dragging it to 12. And I'm going to click OK, and it saves it. Alright, thank you so much for staying with me for the short tutorial today. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.